everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, we are going to see 10 lines on the rise of AI, how artificial intelligence is shaping the future.
AI, artificial intelligence, is like a small robot brain that can learn and make decisions. It helps in many areas like schools, hospitals, and games, making things easier and faster. AI can recognize faces, talk like humans, and even suggest what videos to watch. Doctors use AI to find diseases early and suggest the best treatments. AI creates fun things like cartoons, music, and even stories. It can help keep computers safe by stopping hackers and bad websites. Some people worry AI might take jobs away, so we must use it wisely. AI helps scientists explore space and build smart cities. One day, AI might help solve big problems like pollution and climate change. AI is powerful, but humans must guide it to use it safely and responsibly. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.